Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're at 2014 Holden Colorado, stock number 7227. It's ran from the 10th 2013 to December 2016. Is an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, one dent, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door one dent, right front door one dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, either AC controls, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,